All right, YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy, Camel Rose. Come back to another one. So today, we're finally doing the oil change on the BMW 535i. I don't know what I just did with my hands or whatever. So I've put about, I wanna say 1,500 miles on the car, and I figured now is the best time to do an oil change. Why not? All Mobil 1. So we got the Mobil 1 oil filter. What is it? 5W40. What is that, 7 quarts of 5W40? So yeah, they're gonna get the car in the air. The car in the air. Got the oil filter removal cap. Yep, that's it. Fake Amazon snap-on. Go ahead, get on there. Get that off of there. All right. You can get the rest of it by hand. Release some of the pressure. And now I'm gonna go under the car, and I can show you all the. That's our drain bolt right there. Somebody hit that, get this oil out. I'm wondering how hot the car still is. I guess I'll find out in a minute, right? Got a couple towels right here. Let me go ahead and do this real quick. All right. Sorry, I guess I got a couple towels. All right, and what I'm gonna do is, so it's actually excess oil just sitting in the top there. I'll show you. So we got some oil just sitting in there. So what I'm gonna do is put some shop towels in there, kind of get that out, get that cleaned out. Filter has 2 O-rings on it that we want to get to, and we got the 2 O-rings, little O-ring and a bigger O-ring. Go ahead. That should just, yep, that just comes out like that. Put that right there. Set the oil filter to the side. It's best if you have a pick tool. Oh my God, so I got it off, it broke, and it's very, very stiff, but I got it off. Like I said, it did break. Just to make sure I got all the, because by it breaking, I want to make sure I got all of it out before I put it back in there. I want to make sure I got it all off. All right. Yep, that looks good to me. I think we got it off. Now the other one, you'll see the other one's down there. That's still kind of rubbery. And you'll see there's a small notch right there for the pick tool, right? You guys can see it, but it's right there. So we got it off. There we go. So we got the bigger one off and the little one. I'm gonna put this to the side, put the rag in there to kind of get some of that oil out. Put that last one in there. Put those to the side for now. So I'm just doing this so I can actually get all of this out of there. Or not, I mean, whew, obviously not gonna get all of it, but if we can get most of it. All right, leave that in there. And I'm gonna go under the car, crack that drain bolt, go ahead and start draining. We could have drained while we did this, but hey, whatever, we're here now, right? Kind of what I see. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? But we're draining. See, make sure this is a 10 quart. It should be 7 quarts actually in the vehicle. You can see the drain bolt in the corner right there. Well, I think you can. I don't know, but yeah, that's it. Let me grab one more of these rags so I can make sure my hands are clean. I'm gonna get a little oil out of the what's the name, so I can put it on the O-rings. All right, let's put this bigger one on first. Get that, there we go. All right, we got the big one on there. Let's get this smaller one on there. Let's go ahead and put the little O-ring on now. All right, there we go. Let's get let me check and make sure it's done draining, and I'll come right back. All right, so we're done draining. I'm gonna just hit some of the oil right here on top, and we're gonna put this around the O-ring or O-rings. Let's see. Grab the new filter, put the new filter on there. There we go. So we got the new filter on there. Let's go ahead, put that back on there. Gotta grab my actual wrench. All right, that should be good enough. Just want to make sure I can't undo it with my hand. There we go. And I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty sure this has torque specs, but now let's go reinstall the drain bolt, and then yeah, we'll fill up with oil. Drain bolts right here. I'm gonna clean the drain bolt off, use some degreaser, and put that new O-ring on there. So this is almost all 5 quarts. Oh, my arm was in the way, but there it is. We got basically 2 more quarts, and same thing. Obviously Mobil 1 European 5W40. All right, let's go ahead, throw this last one in here. Let me see. All right, cool. I didn't want to use the entire the whole thing. Let's see. Because what we do know, like, these cars consume oil, yes, but we also don't want any frothing going on. So yeah, that's why I just did it that's why I chose to do it like that. I should have my key. We can start her up, let her idle, and we'll check the oil level. All right, let's see. So what I did was, to get the car in the air, I just used the center jack point. I'm gonna just do that again. Obviously, to let it down. Now you guys should get like a proper cold start. So we're gonna go to menu, I'm gonna go to vehicle info, vehicle status. We're gonna go down to engine oil level. We're gonna measure the engine oil level. Let's see. Only possible is the operating temperature. So it's not an operating temperature yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyways. Now this might, I don't know if this is what this is gonna do. Is it gonna ruin the car or not? Okay, so it's right around max. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. We have successfully changed the oil in the BMW 535i. I'm actually gonna drive around for a little bit just to kind of see, how it is. But we should be good. We should be good. And with that being said, I'm gonna go and get up out of here. And I'm out, coach.